Hey beauties, I'm Kavalpreet Kaur and welcome to Kaur Beauty Space. Today I'm going to show you how I got these beachy waves slash curls overnight. For no heat overnight curls, I'll be doing a French braid, so you require a comb and rubber band. In place of having my hair all wet, with the braid I have my hair all damp so that it gives enough time to dry out overnight. And most important, make sure your all hair are detangled just like mine are. So for heatless curls, what you're all gonna do is basically a French braid, which will be followed up with a 3-strand regular braid later. For a French braid, every time a parent strand come forth, while outside, just add a few adjacent hair to it. Once this is all done, we'll be doing a regular 3-strand braid. Now I'm doing a 3-strand regular braid, and once when you reach the end, you're just going to secure the braid with a simple elastic or with the one you have. I had this black one, so I'm securing it with this one. The second hairband is totally different from it. And now same goes for the second part of my hair, as we are doing the overnight French braids on both sides. So I first did the French braid and then the regular braid and secure it with a totally different rubber band, pulling out all the outer sections of my braid to give it more fuller look so that it won't be super tight curls in the morning. One more reason is when I unlock all in the morning, it won't be flat against my head. Now I'm going to leave it overnight. Guys, if you don't want to go ahead with sleep-on curls, don't wish to sleep on them, I would suggest leaving them for about 5 to 7 hours or 6 to 7. You'll get the same curls which overnight method gives. Yes, it will gonna do the same job like leaving them overnight. Now I am spraying my homemade aloe vera hairspray. It actually keeps my hair healthy and sets the curls for longer time. As you can see how beautiful and natural curls these are looking, you won't be disappointed after having this. You can pick up this hairstyle with whatever look you feel look the best, and with hopefully you'll all love it like I do whenever I do these curls. In the end, just scrunch your hair to retain the natural look. You can open the locks more if you wish to have more voluminous curls. So guys, that's all. If you like this video and like the no heat curl method, which is totally a heatless method, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Don't forget actually to subscribe in Kaur Beauty Space. I'll see you all soon. Bye.